Hello guys! Good evening, Arivin. Lovely 14. Pasensya na ngayon na nakabalik mga Ludi. Pasensya na. This song is dedicated to all of you. Somewhere out there, neath the pale moonlight, someone's thinking of me, loving me tonight. Somewhere out there, someone saying a prayer. We'll find one another in that big somewhere out there. And even though I know how very far apart we are, it helps to think we might be wishing all the same bright star. And when the night winds start to sing a lonesome lullaby, it helps to think we're sleeping. Out there, if love can see us through, we'll be together somewhere out there, out where dreams come true. Pasensya na guys. Dedicated to all sa mga kagaya ko rin nagpa-practice. Thank you very much for watching and listening my song. To all my YouTube subscriber, thank you very much.